Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cooktop that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, Countertop Burner. The Duxtop 9600 LS has the sleek design and high-end feel of a luxury built-in induction cooktop with the advantage of portability. The lightweight body makes it easy to take this burner on the go. There's a mode for every task with 20 temperatures and 20 power presets. The sophisticated heating element maintains incredibly even heat, making tasks like getting a good, hard sear on a steak in a cast iron pan a breeze. The heating area is a whopping 8 inches wide, so it's easy to accommodate larger pans. This is my go-to burner for any on-location cooking I've done in restaurants in the past. Like all induction burners, there is a light, high-pitched whining sound at high temperatures or power modes, though many customers report that this sound is especially loud with this model. One of the significant benefits of this model is the incredibly even heat across many different temperatures and power presets, though this means that the temperature settings are extremely sensitive. This can be a major bummer if you're trying to increase the power slightly and end up going too far and burning your food. If portability and consistency, even heat are a priority for you, this burner is a great choice. Just make sure to keep an eye on the finicky temperature and power controls. Number 2, Portable Induction Cooktop, iSiLER 1800W Sensor. If getting the best bang for your buck is at the top of your list, the iSiLER Portable Induction Cooktop is the burner for you. At under $60, this burner doesn't have some of the extra bells and whistles, but it gets the job done. It boasts 20 preset power levels ranging from 100 to 1800 watts and 20 preset temperatures between 100 and 460 degrees. Additionally, there are 2 preset buttons, one for boiling water and a keep warm feature. Like many burners on this list, it also has a child lock. This burner's lightweight design and unfussy buttons make it easy to use and even easier to take on the go. Unfortunately, the dimensions make this burner relatively bulky with what feels like wasted space, given the smaller than average heating area. Larger pans may overtake the area of the heating element, leading to uneven cooking. Even so, this model still made the list for its no-nonsense user interface and unbeatable price tag. The best portable induction cooktop, period. Yes, it's another single burner unit that costs more than 10 times as much as the Duxtop. Heck, it's even pricier than some full-size induction ranges. But if your success in the kitchen is dependent on precision, the control freak can make your work a lot less stressful. Number 3, Empava 30 Gas Stove Cooktop with 5 Italy. This appliance from Empava is a hidden gem because it not only includes 5 sealed burners but also has a budget-friendly price tag. You can install it over a wall oven made by the same brand or within an iSiLER kitchen countertop. The element's power levels range from 4,000 to 12,000 BTU, which is ideal for searing a steak or simmering a pot of soup and competitive with more expensive models that cap at 15,000 BTU. Now, this model isn't packed with smart features, but it does heat up quickly and is great for those living small. You'll find that it's easy to clean and maintain, especially since the grates are dishwasher safe. Just be warned, the elements can have weak moments. You may find that a flame isn't consistent after being lit for a while. If you choose this budget cooktop, you get the precision of gas cooking at an affordable price. However, you'll forego a few features too. For example, the highest power burner of this cooktop is 12,000 BTU, which falls a bit short when compared. Number 4, Electric Cooktop 30-inch, GASLAND Chef CH77BF Ceramic. This feature-rich electric cooktop from Samsung has a futuristic feel that also performs. It has 5 elements with burner sensing technology that allows you to turn 2 adjacent elements into one large cooking surface when it's time to warm up the griddle for Sunday brunch. The cooktop is also Wi-Fi enabled and connects to your smartphone, so you can triple-check that you turned off all the burners wherever you are. A rapid boil element brings stock pots up to temperature quickly and efficiently, while a simmer and a melt burner will come in handy for delicate tasks like making a roux or tempering chocolate. The sleek black surface also looks great and resists fingerprints, so it's easy to keep shiny and new-looking. For safety, a bold indicator light lets users know that a burner is still hot after cooking. The space you're given is maximized and dishwasher safe. You can install the unit over the compatible electric wall oven by the brand or within your countertops if that's more convenient for the layout of your space. Ultimately, what sets this model apart from others is its angled control panel. It makes the control knobs very easy to operate and gives the appliance a sleek look and feel. Number 5 GEJGP 5030 SLSS 30-inch gas cooktop with power. This sturdy 30-inch cooktop is no different. This 5-burner cooktop is powerful enough for restaurant-quality cooking at home while also being super compact, making this a great gas range for any sized kitchen. Despite the size, this cooktop delivers high heat for fast, efficient cooking. One of the burners has a power boil setting for bursts of high heat, up to 15,000 BTUs, that can quickly bring your pasta water to a boil. Meanwhile, the simmer burner lets the complex flavors of your kimchi jjigae come together. The cooktop is also designed for ease of use, with heavy-duty grates that provide a smooth surface to slide pots and pans around between the various sized burners. There is an optional griddle sold separately, and the entire cooktop does come with a 1-year limited warranty. The stainless steel surface isn't hard to keep clean, and the removable grates are even dishwasher safe, making this one of the easiest gas ranges to maintain. This Samsung model not only has a griddle but also heats its griddle evenly. It also comes with a wok grate, which can easily be swapped over the central burner to accommodate the larger piece of cookware. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.